Stick around and I will show you how to master this eye-catching design trick. Hollow number card effect are a game changer for presentation. They are sleek, modern and perfect for highlighting key points. Let's dive in and create something amazing. Most PowerPoint slides are flat and uninspiring. Adding visual can be tricky, and without the right tools, your slide might end up looking cluttered or unprofessional. But what if you could create stunning visual like this in just a few steps? Go to View tab, click on Ruler and Guides. Right click to add a vertical guide and prepare 4 equal parts like this. Next, go to Insert, click on Picture and select your image. Insert 3 images. Align them to the middle and center them. Select each picture, go to picture format and crop them fit your design. Now, insert a rectangle shape. Drag it and remove the outline by setting Shape Outline to No Outline. Go to Format Shape. Choose black as the fill color and increase transparency for a subtle overlay effect. Select each picture, go to Picture Correction and select Brightness to -30 for a cohesive look. Select all elements, go to Effect, click on Shadow and apply a preset shadow. Adjust the transparency to 30%, blur to 10% and distance to 5 for a professional finish. Add your content like this subject information. Then insert a text box. Type 1, center it and use the bold font like Impact. Increase the font size and select No Fill from Text Fill. Also select Text Outline Color and increase the width size. Duplicate the text box. Change the number to second. Group the elements and send them to the back for a layer effect. Duplicate the slide, go to Transition and select Morph. Increase the duration for a smooth animation. On the first slide, select all elements, align them to the center and shift them outside the slide. This set up the morph transition perfectly. Finally, click on Slideshow to see your stunning hollow number card effect in action. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you have created professional eye-catching hollow number card effect. It's easy, fast and perfect for any presentation. Give this technique a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other PowerPoint tutorials for more design hacks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.